Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So today we are going to be making this beautiful dress that I just made for my baby girl. So I'm going to be showing you how I made it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to determine the length of the dress. So I'm making this dress for a 1 year 6 months. 1 year 6 months. So that is what I am making for. So the first thing is the length I have here is just 19 inches, and this fabric is folded into 4, and on fold I have around 14 inches. So it means for the front I have 28 inches and for the back I have 28 inches. So I hope you understand. So this fabric is folded into 4. So now let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is to just cut out the armhole. So to cut out my armhole, I'm going to be using 3 inches for my armhole. So now the reason why I'm using 3 inches is because I'm going to be using 1 inches for the casing for the neck area, then 2 inches is going to be the armhole opening, so which is just okay. So what I'm going to do here now is just to mark out my 3 inches, and I'm going to come in by 2.5 inches, or by 2.25 inches, and I'm just going to connect it like a armhole like this. So it's just a very small armhole. So what I'm just going to do, I'll cut this out now. So now this is going to be for the armhole. So what we are going to do now first is that we are going to take this now to the sewing machine. So this is now 2-piece. So what I'm going to do now is take this now to the sewing machine, and I'm going to take in that 1 inches I added. But before you hem this neck area, first of all, go ahead to finish up your shoulder area this way. So I can use bias, or I'm going to weave this part, then I'm going to fold it in myself. So I'll go ahead to fold in this part, then I'll come back and show you. So what I did was that I went ahead to use my weaving machine to weave the armhole area, then I turned it in. So this is how it is looking. So you can see how neat it is looking. So the next thing we are going to do is just to fold in our casing here. So I'll fold it twice here. I'll just fold it twice here, and I'll stitch it straight down for both this part and for the other part. Then after I'm done, I'm going to be joining the sides and hemming the down part. So I'll go ahead to do that. So the first thing you go ahead to do is to finish up this upper part this way, making it like a casing that we're going to pass in our rope through. Then you are going to go ahead to join these sides together, the sides together. So after right sides facing each other. So after you're done joining the sides, then you hem the down part. I will come back and show you. So guys, here is it after I was done making the casing for the neck area. So you can see how it is looking. Then I went ahead to join the sides using just 1/2 inches. So this is the down part now. I'll still go ahead to hem it just using 1/2 inches because I've gone ahead to weave it. So making a baby dress depends on the side of the baby and the length of the baby. So whenever you want to make your baby's dress, just make sure you measure your baby and make sure that you want it to be at a certain length, then you cut out that length. So that is the easiest way for you to make your baby's dress. So after we're done with this, so the next thing I'm going to do is just to work on the rope that we are going to be tying. So I just cut out this rope. So this is like 28 inches. So this is 28 inches. So what I'll do is I'll take this now to the sewing machine. I'll turn it this way, turn it this way, and then close it up this way, and then stitch. So I'll go ahead to do that. So let me repeat what I said. You just fold it in this way, fold these other parts in, then you turn it this way and you stitch. So I'll go ahead to do that for these 2 sides, then I'll show you. So guys, we are done with the down parts, and I'm gonna have to give it a good press. So this is the rope I'm gonna have to do. So this is it. So now I'm just going to pass it through this casing here. So for this style, you can either use adire just like I've done, or you use Ankara, or any type of material that you have. So you can use any material, but I'm using adire for this. So this is for one part. You can see how beautiful this dress turned out to be. I really love it so much. So this is it. This is for both the front neckline and the back neckline. So you just go ahead to tie up this part. So I'll tie up this other part as well. So after you tie, if you notice that it's a bit loose, you can just go ahead to retie, especially when it's on your daughter, so, or on your client. So this is how this dress is looking. So you can see how beautiful this is. So you can wear it like this for them, or they put on something white inside and just